Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidyalakshmi. Today I am going to be showing you how I prepare this very tasty Ragi Chilla. So first of all, I am going to measure everything in coffee mug. So here I have taken a small coffee mug. I have measured and added blackgram dal and I have washed it thrice. Placed it in the same bowl. I added some water, soaked it for 1 hour. After an hour's time, I'm going to strain that. I've strained and reserved it. This is poha or flattened rice, the thick one. So I've measured the same half cup of it and I've washed it thrice and soaked it for 1 hour. So now the blackgram dal and the flattened rice is soaked. So I'll be adding the blackgram dal. You can see it's nicely strained. There is no moisture in it. I'm going to grind it. So I have just ground it till it's coarsely ground. Then I've added the flattened rice, soaked flattened rice, and I've ground it till it's nice and smooth. I've added just quarter cup of water for grinding and I transferred the batter to a mixing bowl. In the same coffee mug, I've measured the finger millet flour, that is ragi, 1.5 cups. I've added salt, stirred it nicely. It's nice and thick batter now. Once I'm preparing dosa, I've added tiny amount of water, mixed it well, and I prepared the batter. In a mixing bowl, I've added coriander, finely chopped onion, grated ginger, grated carrot. Then I've added some grated coconut, finely chopped chilies, finely chopped curry leaves, salt, cumin seeds. Mixed all of this. This is going to be the topping. So now I've added some water, stirred it well in the batter. I've placed a pan and I've heated it well. Now I've ladled the batter in the pan and I'm going to prepare the dosas. So once I have ladled the dosa, I've spread the dosa. I'm going to sprinkle the topping and slightly press it down so that it sticks to the batter. Then I've added tiny amount of oil and fried it on both the sides. This turned out so tasty, friends. It was very nice and tasty. Do prepare it. I prepared all of this within 2 hours. So 6 o'clock in the evening I started and I finished my dinner by 8:30 itself. So it was very nice and tasty. You can see both the sides are fried very well. I've served it hot. Do try this recipe, friends. The detailed recipe is in the description box below this video. Try this recipe and post your comments, friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.